gonna do the haircut na. Yeah. I'm gonna do the haircut for today's video. I'm gonna do the lashes kasi birth month. Yeah, it's my birth month and wala, hindi na ako magsa-celebrate. Dito na lang, for myself na lang. Parang love yourself. Another love yourself. Parang kinalimutan mo na kasi sa sarili mo po. See, ang haba na ng buhok ko. Since I'm done with my lashes, kabuhok na naman ako.
Bisa. Okay?
So this is my new look, guys. This is the back. This is the back. Ayan lang, pero matakas pa rin siya. Tapos this is the front. Hindi na ako kapag-video dun kasi maraming epal. Uy! Mahulungan taga-jeep. Nabaguhan niyo sa akong buhok. Imatsyol ka tanaw, no? Tubag ba?
Ano magkaanak lang pag dalaga gyapon ka.
Dili ba mo akong 30 anyos?
Dili oy, ay pagmugot para dili ka tanaw 30. Smile lang pirmi.
Murag buang.
Dili pag ka mo ngisi gawas ngipon oy kana may buang. Oo nga na mo na buang kanang smile lang good. Mga buak ni sa amin ron sa mga sakyanan.
Labi, wala na nga limpiyuhan, walay fish. Oh. Wala ganis na ito.
Hey,
So since the playground is closed, so we're just going to do grocery. This is just a quick video for this day. It's like a compilation for the month of May. Yan lang gagawin ko. Compilation. Alright, hi guys! So time check, it's 1:58 in the morning. Nagbibisikleta, actually. Bike. Nagbabike ako. I'm currently here in Coastal, galing sa bahay. And yes, hi to my kapatid. Hi Jun. With my brother, Jun. Katugon na. So yes, pauli na mi. So magpa-video ko kay another brother! Always na na siya sa video. So yes guys. Kayo kay pasaka siya tanaw. Dili, grabe po doy. Dili oy, first time dito sa Bukana Bridge. Ano to? Wow, amazing. Wow.
Bombakol.
Wow. Before turning 25, magpasingot daw. Thanks to my brother. Mother's Day nga pala for today. Touchdown! Rojas, nako. Yun no? Oh, bye. May lemon pie. Bye.
Dong. Wala siya labot ng Jollibee eh.
Okay, 365 or double piece lang. 4-piece solo. I got my order. Gonna taste their mashed potato. Tama ba? Their new mashed potato. And nag-crave ako na chicken, so yes. Yay! Thank you! Gonna do the takeout. I just get back from Jollibee. So yes, this is what we ordered. You can see a spicy chicken with a tag of spicy, hot spicy. Yes, minute burger. Yes, gonna eat. Yes, for the month of May. Baboos. Hi! So yes, today is the day. We're done going to church. We are here. Ate Nish, meet Ate Nish, my ate. Since ano? Sa Sunday school days, no?
Bata pa ko, guys.
So we're actually here at SM Lana. Hi, Mikel! Hi, Mikel!
Ano sa mga masasabi sa mong birthday, Jai?
Food is life. Naiinis sa dulitang lang. Wala pa gani.
Dugay kayo sila kakuha og pagkaon. As in, dugay kayo. First time ko niya.
Uy.
Dyan na ba sa mga first time pa? Pero bitaw guys, welcome back to my vlog. I want to share that it's my ate months akong ate karon. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Mag-review lang sa good yun. Dili man ta orasan siguro.
2:30 lang magtataman no.
2:30 ako to bang kaon.
Lunch na to.
Di grabe pahawakan mata nila bisag wala panahon ng kaon.
2:30 lang? Depende. Dili ko sure. Ang bidugan na wala ka pala.
What is this beef? Ox tripe. Oxtail, kare-kare.
Ano yung plastic ba?
Kasi magbulis siya sa kaplato.
Bigyan naman natin yan.
For the second round, ding 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 ding. Pudding, French toast.
Ma'am, 200 biya per picture. Mama sa. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, half na. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Church zone. Ano po?
Muna mga nouns, mga chismosa.
There's the bites. Ube fudge. You can see ube fudge. Sponge. Diba? Pagkain na sa kapatid ko. Cake bites. Munchkin. Chocolate cupcake. Chocolate chips.
Parang mga Indian na lamig.
Happy birthday, Mama! Birthday dong!
Sir Paulen.
Ay, big girl na! Sabi niya, One, two, three! Birthday na ni Paulen! Birthday na ni Paulen! Birthday na ni Paulen ngayon! Birthday na ni Paulen! Birthday na ni Paulen! Birthday na ni Paulen ngayon! And get out! Bum tara tara! Bum tara tara! Tarara tarara! Mami Pauline.
Happy ka? Happy ka?
Isang ano, I've got my gift from Jason, from the editor of this video. So, kudos sa'yo, Son. Kudos to Jason. Thank you so much. All the love. I'm gonna open this. This painting, I actually asked him for this to paint me since naga-paint siya. One of his hobbies. So, gusto ko lang i-paint niya ako on how he saw me on his own, like his own perspectives. Sure. But then again, if he really knows me, then lalaman na. Uy! Uy! Alo, oh! Hala! Oh, effort I. Hala! Ay, oh. Well, violet is my favorite color. Yeah, same goes with the other paintings. So, yes. So, this was the first painting last year na gift niya rin. And this is for this year. So, basically, actually, delay na, but, wow. For this painting, butterfly. Well, as you can see, butterfly, it can fly whenever a butterfly sees a place na kung saan tutog pa, of course. Well, ako, I love to travel. And black symbolizes for, darkness. Hello, amazing ka, Son. Feel ko kaya ganito yung design niya sa may mga yellow because there are times na he saw me na yung bright side, my bright side, tama ba? Amazing. All I can say is this painting represents the same goes. Yes. Anong mo siya ganina na he's not sure if kung mag-represent pagyapon is ako. But then, yes. There are times na, yes, black, tapos when anxiety and depression comes in, but then there's a lot of fellow friends, no?
Ng a butterfly seeking for light to escape darkness.
Sure. No, dili man siya seeking. Kay padulong man siya light, but well, we never know what happens in the future man. But kung always seeking ko sa light, so there's no light pa pala. There are times man, but pinigyan pa siya. Like, naano pag siya, no, medyo, ano pa siya, padulungay pa, but yes.
Padulong pag that time, kay last year pa man na painting.
Well, up until now man, hindi man ko makaingon na I can say that I'm in a stable situation. All I can say is at least almost there. Kanang working on progress pa. Yes, I'm a working on progress, just like this butterfly. Oh, Son, thank you, Son. I love it. Oh, wishing me a happy birthday, Char. I'm still 25, so yes, in the middle of mid-20s. So, I need to start up to think about the future. Okay, because hindi tayo pa bata. So, I'm gonna take a photo now. Thank you, Son. Yes, I'm 25 now and still hoping and still working to be in a stable financially, physically, emotionally, mentally. Spiritually. Oo, to be stable in life. Like, not just in a term na kailangan nasa taas talaga, but at least nakakahinga. In peace, at peace. So, hindi mababayaran yan, please. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're gonna like it. So this is just compilation for the month of May. So actually today is 28th of the month. So ending of May na. So that's all for today. I'll just get back with you on the more videos. Hope so may pera pa. Kasi ang mahal mag-vlog. So don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. Click down below to subscribe for more.